over to you.
Yeah, thanks for introduction, Stelios. And okay, let's start. I think Simone is also online, so we were planning to have a breakout room for, I mean, if you have this hands-on sessions or if you try to think out on the cluster, that well, if you need help, one can switch to this breakout room. It seems in the moment that for that one probably has to you have to say it to Simone that he's also switching to the breakout room. Yeah, let's see how this is working. I guess it's might be easier if you have a fast question or so to switch there. Otherwise, we can also do it in the main channel. Okay, so yeah, today the topic is introduction to OpenMP. So we this is the agenda more or less. We will start with an introduction, and then we go over data sharing, work sharing, and tasking, and how we can vectorize an OpenMP at the end of the session. Yeah, we have to see how it works. So it's for me also, I mean, to do it online or in general, it's new, so we have to see how fast we are, of how good we can interact with the cluster. I mean, yesterday you had already some George showed you how to log into Cyclone and to use Bash and so on. So let's see if we can extend this by actually running some OpenMP programs on the cluster. So before we will go to the introduction, I wanted to show you the sources which this course is based on. Maybe before you can all log into the cluster, because I put the training events into my Scratch directory, so where you also find slides of the different parts. Maybe try to connect to the cluster. Let's try this first, as you did yesterday. I guess like this. So so I don't. Difficult to get feedback now. Is everyone it's possible to connect to the cluster, or is there some problems? I mean, we will do the exercises and the hands-on on the cluster, so it would be good if you are able to connect to the machine. So I put the files. They will be later on GitHub. I put the files into this directory. So you can go there by, if you are on the main, you have an environment variable which is called Scratch. And then it's laying in my folder J Finkenrad, and then NCC training. And if you take a look to this structure, there are the different exercises and also slides. So if you go on slides, you see the different part 1, part 2, and part 3. So if you in these files are also the directories and the basic steps to start the exercises. I don't see I see the chat.
Just one comment again, Iago. We disabled the Zoom chat, so we're channeling the chat to Slack to the channel HPC Beginners Training February 2021.
Okay. So, but they can react here, no? So they can raise their hand here.
Yes, yes, of course.
So maybe raise a hand if you're not able to log into the cluster, or
Jacob.
Yes.
Where would you like us to be on the cluster? So in which file? Or in which folder?
In the moment, just I want that you're able to. I mean, what you can do is now you can copy the. I mean, now we can copy from time to time from this folder exercises to your local home directory, and then we can do the exercises locally.
Okay, so you just want us to be at the NCC_training directory, or do you want us to move towards the slides directory?
No, I just wanted to show you that you can